Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vindhya Seth and today I'm going to teach you covalent bonding. What is covalent bonding? So if you see it in a short definition, covalent bonding is a type of bonding where electrons are not taking, not nor giving. They're just sharing the electrons. You can write it as not taking, not giving, just sharing. This is a short definition you can write. So now we'll move on to covalent. What is covalent bond actually? So covalent bonds don't have actual electrons to lose or to gain. Since in relations, electrons to lose or gain decides the rate of reaction. So the covalent bonds are less reactive. They're less reactive because you know why? Because uh, it rate of reaction decides on losing or giving, but they're not losing nor giving, not taking. I mean, so it's like they're sharing, so they are less reactive. They are formed by sharing electrons between them. Now, there are three types of covalent bond: single bond, double bond, and triple bond. So first we'll discuss single bond, then double bond, then triple bond. So for single bond, I will take one example. H, hydrogen. It has one electron in its outermost shell. So H. Now it became two. Yes. So they will share. They were making a compound H. Like it's not a compound, it's just hydrogen. One important point about single bond is that they always share two electrons. They always share two electrons. This is a main point, you should remember it. Now for double bond. We'll take example for oxygen. It has six electrons in its outermost shell. Now again here they will share. Here they were sharing one electron. Here they are sharing two. So that's why it's a double bond. Double bond. This is symbol for double bond. We'll put double bond and it will make. Now here they always share four electrons. Always. Now for triple bond. We'll take nitrogen. It have this. Now they are sharing three. So we'll put triple bond between them and it will make N2. For this one, they always share six electrons. Remember one thing, single bond share two electrons, double bond share four, and triple bond share six. 2, 4, and 6. As simple as that. Moving on to the next point, conditions for formation. So, conditions for formation of covalent bond are both atom both atoms should have more electrons in their outermost shell, and it should be mostly now I mean they are mostly formed by non-metals, not by metals. Now, both the atoms should have highly electronegative. Uh, in the previous lecture, I told you three main terms: electron affinity, electronegativity, and ionization energy. So in this case, they should have high electronegativity, and they should have electron affinity and also high electronegativity and high ionization energy. You should know these three main terms. They're very important. If you haven't watched my previous lecture, I will give the link in the description below. Now, so another uh, condition, which is a main condition for this, is that the En difference, I mean the electron negativity difference between combining atoms should be either zero or negligible. The En difference between combining atoms should be either C sorry should be either zero or negligible. Negligible. This is the main point. Like this, you should remember it's a main condition for formation. So moving on to the next point. Now we'll discuss the properties of covalent bond, obviously. So properties of covalent bond. They're found in all states of matter, means found in solid, liquid, gas. And this they're found in all states because of the weak force of attraction. I will write here for the first point, weak force of attraction. This is the reason why. Weak force, weak force of attraction. Now, they have low melting and boiling points because less energy is required to break the force of bonding, or you can say therefore covalent compounds have low melting and boiling point. Remember, low, low melting and low boiling points. Now, they're bad conductor of heat and electricity. Why is it so? Because of the absence of free electrons between the molecules. Free electrons help in easy conduction of electricity, and due to the advance of free electrons, the covalent compounds are unable to conduct electricity because they have, I will write the reason, absence of free electrons. Now, fourth and fifth, sixth. They are not soluble in water but soluble in organic solvent because organic solvents are non-polar covalent compounds. Water is a polar compound and cannot dissolve non-polar compound. Cannot dissolve non-polar compounds. Now, and they are less reactive. I already told you that why they are less reactive because the relations because in relations electrons to lose or gains decide the rate of reaction, but covalent compounds don't they don't take or give, so they are less reactive. Moving on to the next, now we'll see two examples of covalent bonding. So we will take methanes, which is CH4, and carbon monoxide, which is CO. We will divide this page in two parts. Yeah, methane, C have four, carbon have four electrons in its outermost shell, and hydrogen have only one. So uh, to make this, we will put all hydrogens here. Now here they are sharing. Yes, you can see that they're sharing the electrons. So I'm sorry. C, H, 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 and H. So now they will make compound CH4, and here carbon have 6 electrons and oxygen have. Here they are sharing this thing. So it will make a compound, so carbon monoxide. You should remember this. These examples are so easy. And this was the end of this video, and this is a very easy topic, and I hope you all understand it very carefully, and I hope that I made it easy for you to understand. So if you haven't watched my previous videos for the definitions of ionization energy, electronegativity, electron affinity, the links are given in the description below. Please go and watch it. So thank you for watching. uh, I hope you learned something from this video.